Welcome everyone to the first full test of the new setup. You can see here we've got the hosing and everything now set up. Here's the new spindle here with the dust collector. You can see that tube goes up and it goes all the way here to the first blower, and then for the moment that's terminating in the collection bag right there. And then you can see here we've got the this is for the vacuum table, and that's going to the second blower, and that's currently being vented outside just for sound purposes. You can see here the 9 vacuum zone table, and we're running 2 pieces here of 1/2-inch lightweight MDF. So the operation we're going to do here is just a simple surfacing, just to get the full top layer of MDF fully aligned. We have the G code loaded, and so we're going to turn everything on. The blower systems over here and the spindle cooling are both being run off the house circuit, thus leaving enough power for all the other systems. So let's get it running. We'll turn on the VFD. Run. There it goes. So this setup is actually extraordinarily quiet, much quieter than the last one. You know, in the last setup, I wouldn't have been able to talk to you while everything was running. So you can hear the spindle spooling up. Sounds like it's just about there. And we're running a 1-inch cutter at 24,000 RPM, and we're just taking 40 thousandths off the top. So I'm gonna hit start. Oh, we got single block on. Start. Here it goes. It's either gonna work or it's not. All right. As you can see, we're definitely collecting all the dust really effectively. You can see here the chains are working. And the vacuum table seems to be holding everything down just fine, which is excellent. Very good. Another change that I made was the machine is now sitting on cinder blocks rather than on dollies, and it's basically sitting on one piece of concrete. And I measured the levelness of the table with an electronic level, and everything's leveled to within a degree, and I'm satisfied with that. I actually tried to get it more level, but I wasn't. Every time I lifted the machine, it actually changed whether it was, you know, if it was below or above 0 degrees. So, you know, it's not going to get any more level than it currently is. But it definitely seems a lot flatter than it had been previously. So this is running at 200 inches per minute, which is the maximum speed of the machine. And you can see it's just chugging along like there's nothing there. So ladies and gentlemen, that is what success looks like. Have a wonderful day.